What to do when someone hurt you emotionally. The best thing to do when someone hurt you is to forgive, let go and stop thinking about them. If you want to protect your peace and happiness, forgiving and letting go will help a long way. In this video, we are going to learn 5 effective ways of dealing with hurt. How to stop thinking about those who hurt you. 1. Be truthful to yourself. When you've been hurt, accept it. Don't try to prove you are too strong to be hurt. Identify the pain and accept it. Pretending what happened didn't get to you will only make the pain linger around for a longer period of time. 2. Cry if you need to. It has been proven that when a person cries, a great deal of emotion gets released. Imagine you letting go of half of the pain of the hurt you feel by simply crying. It is great, right? So the next time you feel like crying about that issue, pour out your heart and tears, shout if you need to, but when you are done, avoid crying for the same issue again. 3. Block them. Seeing the person that hurt you over and over again will only make the hurt feel fresh. Block them and get them out of your sight. When you do, they will be some miles away from your mind. 4. Stop reliving the memory. It was painful, I know, but you cannot continue to hurt yourself when the person that caused you the hurt is living in bliss. Love yourself enough to save your delicate heart from the hurts that you can now avoid. 5. Stay close to your loved ones. During this time of hurt, you need the people that love you more than the people who don't. Experiencing love after being hurt can take your mind away from both the hurt and the person that hurt you. Remember, harboring hurt and bitterness is like drinking poison and waiting for the other person to die. Protect your own happiness by letting go of that hurt today. Click the subscribe button for more motivational and natural healing videos. Remember to click the bell icon to be notified when we upload new videos.